take it steady around here because there are usually horses. Ho-ho! We got airborne. It's too much fun. Look at that view. Look at that, as Teapot would say. In obviously not that accent, that was me with a really crap impression of Teapot one. Jesus, I did not expect that. Oh, I did not expect that at all. It took me by surprise. Oh, it's a long time since I've done that as well. That's probably a kid as well. Last time I did something as stupid as that. I will take it steady. No, I'm not chickening out. You are a chicken. Go on, do it.